morning. We have here the BOQ I've just created. So here we can see the entry we open, and we can just type here the project titles, locations, plat numbers. So all the information will put here, guys. And also we want to uh, create the project number. So like for example, I will already have here. So I will do searching 0. So like this, we created the project number, which is 25 is the year, 9 is September, and the date is 21. So as your choice, you can do whatever what you want to have the project numbers. Okay, so you can clear, add, and delete. So you can clear this one and close. So here, guys, as we created the project number for this one example 25 090 21. So we click this one. Okay, so here this form we will build up of materials, so we can put the preliminaries. It will already belong to the divisions from preliminaries. So this is the breakdown structure. Like for example, we do for the excavation, it's belong to the site work. Next column substructure, column superstructure. So all of these guys we have already created by divisions. And for this form, you not manually fill up, but you can use our form here, materials. Like for example, you just only click. Alright, you see, they just already automatic uh, counted and already generated automatically. So like for example, columns. In columns, you can put the steel bars, grouting, but this is only example, guys. You can find here the steel bars, the form columns, and for the concrete here, like this. This is only for example, okay? Then you put the quantity like this. This example here. Yeah. So this is already calculated the amount for this one. Okay, so if you have equipment, you can also judge the equipment like this, or laborer, uh, site foreman, site engineer, how many mason, carpenter, easy. Okay, you just only click, double click, then it will already automatic filling the form. And don't forget here, guys, the category. We just very important to put this one on the category so that we have the summary form. Will show you later. Okay, like for example, equipment, like this example, preliminaries. This is below for labor, MAT, labor, LAB, or equipment. So this is our form to build up all the materials here. Alright, so you can clear this one. You have materials, equipment, labor, MAP. By the way, guys, this is material, equipment. You can edit it here uh, in our forms in the data worksheet. here. You can find here, you can just only edit it. If something you have to add the details in our materials equipment, you just can add here in this worksheet data here. Okay, so after we have the bill of materials, we go to BOQ. BOQ, same, we will input the project number, the divisions, like for example divisions, it only shows for the preliminaries. Here, preliminaries. If we say type beam, which is only show for type beam. So this guys, you can print for this one for the individual amount and the individual uh, divisions or the structures. Okay, parapet, sorry for parapet. So if you want to print all, you just go back and come back again. If you want to print this all, you can do it. We have button here for printing. You can print. So here we have the individual amount by breakdown structure, like preliminaries, excavation, footing, neck column, tie beam, grade slab for columns, beam slab, and the total. This is our total. Total is 1,038,908. So this is the total project cost. Take note with this without the margin, contingency, and tax is not included here. Okay, so we will uh, place that in the next form. So okay, all right, we will close this one. So costing, same, we just put all the number, project number. So here guys, what I tell you before that, now we can see all the accumulated materials here. You can see the total amount, labor, equipment here, preliminaries. So here we can pay for the overhead contingencies. Let's say we need to put 3% margin. We need to say 30%. Tax, of course, 5%. Oh, sorry, 5%. So meaning the total amount, our project cost is 1,428,392. So this is the total project cost. We can put here example 650 square meter and 22 months. Oops, that's it. Okay, and then we will print. Alright, so this is our presentation guys for the project. So we have the project number, title, location, lot number, client name, area, and 22 months here. The material is 61.11%, labor manpower 8.59%, equipment 2%, our margin is 25.53%. This is a percentage from the what we make the total cost in our previous calculations. All right, so here now the total is 1,428,000. So how we represent or the summary cost for this one, guys? So No problem. I already have made it for that one for the summary cost. So here, summary cost. This is our the summary cost that we giving the tender to our clients. So, like for example, how much that the calculated amount before? 428,000. So meaning we can take this one, the amount 1,428,382.70. So we will take down this amount and then, like for example, minus the 1,038,910. So meaning the total amount that we need to put in our summary for this value of 300,000, 389,467. Like for example, we will contribute this one in this substructure. Like we just only put here like 40%, yeah, or 45, and like for black work is 5%, and internet is 10%. As you as you want to, where you want to put here the total percentage for this value guys, so that this amount we need to submit our client for the summary cost. Okay, so here we can see all the summary for the preliminary site work, substructures, superstructures, block work, internal finishes, wood and aluminum, moisture protections, waterproofing, internal finishes, electrical, plumbing, and external works. This is the whole summary. Okay, so for this one, this is for our company details. We will give to our boss to present the materials, laborers, equipment, the margins, and the tax is all here. All right. So here we already have generated all the summary percentage and the total amount which we need to have the target cost for this one. Okay. So we can print, like for example, 20. Zero. Okay. So here guys, this is now our summary for the bill of quantities. This is wrong here. This is only for example. So here we have the total amount is 423,82.71, and we can put here our company header. Here we have space. So that's all. We have the good presentations and very easy and very speedy work for computations and to make a billing of quantities. So that's all guys. Good night.